Good morning, friends. This is Madhu. I welcome to our channel Sri Sai Mahendra Tutorials. Today, I will explain about what type of tests are to be conducted on sand at field. Before going to our topic, I will briefly explain about sand. A particle size measuring about 150 microns to 4.75 mm is classified as fine aggregate. So, what type of test we have to conduct on sand at field for knowing the quality? That is, first one, visualization test, second one, taste test, third one, rubbing test, and fourth one, and also very important one, silt content test. The first test is visualization test. In this test, physically you have to observe the size and shape of sand, and also the sand should be free from organic matters like shell, shingle and other impurities. The second test is taste test. You take some sample of sand and taste it. If you feel salty, that means salt must be present in sand. Don't use like this sand for construction work. Third one is rubbing test. You take some sample of this sand with your palms and rub it in between your palms. Good quality sand will not stick to the hand or your fingers, whereas sand with clay will stick and change the color of the palm. The fourth one is very important test, silt content test. Here you have to take one measuring cylinder jar and firstly you fill with water till the water level reaches 1/3 of the jar. After that, the sample of sand to be tested is then added to the cylinder until the level reaches to more than half mark. Then water is again added to the measuring cylinder until the level reaches to more than 2/3 mark. After that, add some pinch of salt for quick settlement of silt, which reduces testing time. Here, note down one point. We are conducting this test at field, that's why we are using purely water and some pinch of salt. But in the laboratory, we are using 1% of NaCl solution. Now close the open end of the measuring cylinder and shake it well. After a period of 3 to 4 hours, you will notice a layer of silt settled over the sand. Now note down the volume as V1 of the silt layer settled over the sand, and also note down the total volume of sand including silt layer as V. Repeat this procedure a couple more times to get the average reading. Let's consider the measuring jar capacity is 200 ml. First I fill water up to 1/3 mark. After that I fill the sand above half mark. Again I fill with water up to 2/3 mark. Then I add some pinch of salt. After 3-4 hours, I observed the silt settle down over the sand. Here I measured the silt volume, that is 4 ml, and the total volume of sand including the silt, that is 96 ml. Now the percentage of silt is V1 by V. Here V1 is 4 ml and total volume of V is 96 ml into 100. I got 4.16%. Like this you have to conduct another 2 samples. So average you have to take, it will give the percentage of silt. Here particles smaller than 150 microns are classified as silt. The presence of excess quantity, that is more than 7% of silt in sand, reduces the bond capacity of raw materials and affects the strength and durability of work. So friends, please subscribe my channel and like. Thank you for watching once again.